straightforward question from probability. What we have, let's start by defining event 1. The maximum of chosen numbers. So there are 3 numbers chosen. So maximum of chosen numbers is at least 81. So P1 becomes PE1. Note that E1 bar will be each number being less than equals to 80. Each of the chosen numbers is less than or equal to 80. Why? Because if each number is less than or equals to 80, then the maximum of them would be less than 80. And E1 is 11, but the maximum of the numbers is at least 81. So P1 becomes 1 minus PE1 bar, and PE1 bar is easy to calculate because it simply is the probability that each of the numbers is less than or equal to 80, which is 80 into 80 into 80 upon 100 into 100 into 100, which becomes 64 by 125. Then P1 becomes 1 minus 64 by 125, 61 by 125. And so the value of 625 P1 becomes this into 6. These are 305 by 4, which is 76.25. So this is the answer. Then we'll do a similar thing for P2, starting by defining E2 as the minimum of chosen numbers is at most minimum of chosen number at most 40. Then E2 bar becomes all the numbers are greater than or equal to 41. Then P2 becomes 1 minus PE2 bar is 1 minus. Now PE2 bar is simply 60 cube upon 100 cube, because there are 60 numbers greater than or equals to 41 in less than or equals to 100. So this becomes 1 minus 27 by 125, 98 by 125. So we have P2, and we are asked 125 by 4 times P2. 5 by 4 into 98 by 125, which is 49 by 2, which is 24.5. So the answer of question 5 is 76.25 and 6 is 24.5.